Namaste and good morning to all my dear children. This is your Brahmanan sir. In this video, I will explain you about feeding and digestion in amoeba. Okay, feeding and digestion in amoeba. In the previous video, we have learned about the digestion in human being, isn't it? Now, in this video, I will explain you about the digestion in amoeba. First, what is amoeba? Yes, sir. Amoeba is an organism. Which organism? That is a unicellular organism. Sir, what is meant by unicellular organism? Sir, unicellular organism is nothing but single-celled organism. What's meant by unicellular? Unicellular is not a single-celled organism, but human being is a multicellular organism. Okay, it is only one in the amoeba. Okay, only it is made up of only single cell. Okay, it is made up of only single cell. That's why it is called as unicellular organism. Okay, then it is eukaryotic cell. What is meant by eukaryotic cell? Sir, nothing. Eukaryotic cell is nothing but the cell which is having a definite nucleus. A definite nucleus. Then it is called as a eukaryotic cell. Okay, which is having nucleus. Which nucleus? That is definite nucleus in the cell. Okay. In amoeba, there is a definite nucleus is present. That's why it is called as eukaryotic cell. Samajh mein raha? Then it is irregular shape. What is meant by irregular shape? Sir, nam reader olaga e type kottilri. E type kottilri, sir. Amoeba is like this. Whatever it may be. Sir, it do not have a definite shape. It do not have a definite regular shape. It is irregular shape. It is in irregular shape. Samajh mein gaya? That is, amoeba is an organism which is unicellular and it is a eukaryotic cell as well as it is irregular in shape. Okay? Hengane helisiri amoeba because it is irregular in shape. Then how can we see this? Okay? It cannot be seen with our naked eyes. Nam baregane ninta ide noda amoeba anta nodlikke agilla because it's a single celled organism. That's why a special instrument is called as with the help of microscope only. With the help of what? With the help of microscope, we have to see, we have to observe the amoeba. Okay, with the help of a special instrument called as microscope. With the help of microscope only, we have to observe or we can see the amoeba. Sir, sir, amoeba? See, the amoebas are found in warm fresh water like lakes, rivers as well as ponds. Okay, the amoebas are found in warm fresh water. Okay, that is like pond, okay, river as well as lakes. Okay, this is about amoeba. Okay, take a screenshot of this. Okay, next here you will see that is this food vacuole as well as pseudopod and cytoplasm, cell membrane and nucleus. These are the organelles as well as these are the parts of amoeba. We can say that these are the parts as well as organelles also. What is the function of these organelles? First we have to see that is what is the use or what is the function of these organelles. Let's study one by one. Okay. First one, that is cell membrane. That is first I will start with cell membrane. What is cell membrane? Yes, cell membrane is the membrane. Cell membrane is the membrane. Padara anta karitivallri. Okay, that is a cell membrane is the membrane. It encloses all the organelles. Okay, see the outer border that is the cell membrane. This is the cell membrane. It encloses that means it closes the organelles which are present in the cell. Okay, this is the cell membrane. What is the function of this? What they will do exactly? Yes, it allows the certain amounts. Okay, it allows a certain amounts of substances to to move inside as well as out. Okay, ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತದಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಸೆಲ್ ಮೆಂಬ್ರೇನ್ ಇದು ಅಲೋ ಮಾಡ್ತದ್ರಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಹೋಗ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ. ಎಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ರೀ? ದಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ they can move inside the cell as well as move outside of the cell. Okay, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಬರ್ತಾ ಬರ್ತಾ you will learn that. Okay, then cell membrane is the membrane. It encloses all the organelles in the body or a cell, and it also allows a certain substances to move inside as well as out of the cell. समझ में गया बात? That is about cell membrane. Okay, this much. Then next, what is this? This is cytoplasm. That is this is the cell membrane. Sorry, this is the cytoplasm. This is what? This is cytoplasm. Yes, sir. Mark ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. Isn't it? That is cytoplasm is nothing but a cytoplasm is a jelly-like fluid. Okay, cytoplasm is a jelly-like fluid. See, cytoplasm is a jelly-like fluid. See, all the organelles, for example, in nucleus food vacuoles are there. All the organelles are suspended here. Andre telta irtavre sir. Samajh mein aa? That is cytoplasm is the jelly-like fluid. That is plasma is nothing but a fluid. In that the organelles, that is food vacuole as well as nucleus, isn't it? They will suspended there. Andre munikirtava. They will move here and there because of cytoplasm. समझ में गया? That is cytoplasm is the fluid. In that the nucleus as well as food vacuoles and the other other organelles, they will move here and there. Okay, suspended in that in cytoplasm. Okay, then what is the function of cytoplasm? Yes, it functions metabolism as well as movement in the amoeba. It functions metabolism and movement in amoeba. Okay, what is that? That is cytoplasm. Okay, cytoplasm functions metabolism as well as movement in the amoeba. This is about cytoplasm. Okay, then about food. Sorry, that is about nucleus. Then that is nucleus. What is nucleus? Yes, nucleus is the major organelle. Nucleus is the major organelle which is present at the center. Okay, which is present at the center of the cell. Yen martha sir nucleus bada important andrala. Yes, it controls the reproduction as well as many important functions. Okay, see clearly, that is nucleus is the major organelle which is present at the center, and it controls the reproduction as well as many important functions. Okay, this is about nucleus. Then the food vacuole. Then the next organelle is that is food vacuole. What is food vacuole? So nothing, sir. This is the cavity. Okay, in this is the cavity where the food is digested. In amoeba, where the food is digested? See here. In the food vacuole, the food is digested. Okay, hungry sir, with the help of many enzymes. With the help of many enzymes. Enzymes sir? Sir, from the cytoplasm. Cytoplasm will secrete the enzyme. Through that, the food is digested in the food vacuole. Okay, easy. Next story type, don't worry. The food is digested in the food vacuole. Okay, with the help of enzymes. That is about food vacuole. Next important is pseudopode. What is that? Pseudopode. P is silent and this is pronounced as pseudopode. This one is pseudopode. Sir, many pseudopods are there. Isn't many pseudopods are there? Sir, what is the use of this pseudopode? Yes. So pseudopode is the false feet of the amoeba. That is false feet of the amoeba. Sir, what it will do? Yes, sir. They will help us to move from one place to another. Sir, ಇವಾಗ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಿ cytoplasm will help ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಿ. ಇವಾಗ pseudopode ಅಂತ. See, with the help of cytoplasm, the pseudopode will help to move from one place to another. समझ में गया बात? That is pseudopode will help to move from one place to another. Then again this pseudopode will help to catch their prey. What does mean by catch their prey? See, this pseudopode will help to catch their prey. Sir, what do you mean by this? Sir, nothing. That is, to catch their prey means to absorb the food. These pseudopods will help to absorb the food. Okay, help to catch the food. Prey is nothing but the food of amoeba. This is about these organelles as well as these parts of the amoeba. समझ में आ गया ना? Yes. Then how the digestion will occur in the amoeba? Okay, let's see. I will explain this digestion in amoeba by 5 steps. Sir, as we studied in the human being, isn't it? That is ingestion of food and as well as digestion and absorption, assimilation as well as digestion. The 5 steps in the human digestion. Okay, then these steps, in these steps I will explain you the digestion in amoeba. Okay, one by one. First one is, that is ingestion. Ingestion. What is ingestion? Inside the body. Okay, the method of taking the food inside the body is called as ingestion. Sir, how the food is injected in the amoeba at the paper? That is, see, amoeba will move continuously, isn't it? Amoeba moves continuously. Okay, at that time, see here, this, suppose this is the amoeba. Okay, this is the amoeba filtering, for example, because it is a irregular shape. Suppose this is the food. This is the food. Okay. I told you that is with the help of pseudopod that catches the prey. Its prey. Andre its food another catch madukotade. See, suppose these are the pseudopods. This one is also pseudopod. This one is also pseudopod. P is nothing but a pseudopod anta tolkonde. Sir, food item is here. Food is here. While moving, it comes to know that here is the food. Okay. See, with the help of it encircles. Actually, these pseudopods are encircles the food item. See. You put it in, then it actually like this. This is a food. Okay, suppose this is a food. You have put it, it comes near to the food, and as usual, with the help of pseudopod. Pseudopods are the finger-like structures. Now, pseudopod is that it covers the food. It catches its prey, and that means it covers mutton butter. You have food delivery, sir, inside the amoeba. Inside the amoeba, with the help of pseudopod, the food is enters into the cell. That means amoeba cell. Okay? That is nothing but a ingestion. That is nothing but a ingestion. One more time I will say this. With the help of pseudopods, the food is captured or catched into the cell. That is ingestion. First step is clear. Then second step. Second step is that is digestion. That is digestion is there. Second step, that is digestion is there. As well as food enters into the food enters into the cell. That means amoeba olaga bantadre. Okay. See digestion. See food vacuoles. First food vacuoles are the cavity where the food is digested. Uta elli digest agtadri, that is in the food vacuole. Then that food enters into the food vacuole. See, you food go with suppose this is the amoeba. Okay, this is the food vacuole. Food vacuole. Okay, here the food, little food that enters into the food vacuole. This enters into the food vacuole. Here the food is digested. See, here the where that is in the food vacuole. In the food vacuole, the food is digested. How? With the help of enzymes. With the help of enzymes. From where the enzymes will come? Yes, from the cytoplasm. See, that is cytoplasm secretes. Secretes means gives or produces. Okay, isn't it? The cytoplasm will secrete the enzymes that enters into the food vacuum. That enters into the food vacuum. Okay. In the food vacuum, the food is digested into simpler form. That is food digested into what? Into simpler forms, isn't it? Into the simpler form. Okay. See, that is as well as the food enters into the cell, then the food is digested in the food vacuum. How, sir? See, because the cytoplasm secretes the enzymes. Okay, cytoplasm secretes the enzymes. Enzymes are these are the chemical reactions. Okay, enzymes are nothing but these are the chemical reactions. These are very helpful for body or a cell. It is very helpful for body or a cell. See, these enzymes will enters into the food vacuum. Enters into the food vacuum. Then the food is digested. Into what? Into simpler forms. Sir, so it is divided. I mean that is digested into small pieces or a simpler forms. For example, now the protein is digested as amino acids like that in human body like that. That is cytoplasm secretes enzymes. That enzymes will enter into the food vacuum. Then the food is digested. Okay. Then food is digested into the simpler forms. This is about what? This is about only second. That is digestion. समझ में गए दो? That is ingestion and digestion is clear. Yes. Move to the third step. That is absorption. I'll grab this one. Yeah. Absorption. Okay, absorption. What is meant by absorption? That is, see here. See, in the second step, what happened? The food is digested into simpler forms. Okay, where? In the food vacuum. If food vacuum, food is digested. See, suppose this is the amoeba. This is the food vacuum, and in that, there is a digested food is there. And the food are digested food are. Then it is absorbed by the cytoplasm. See, I'll write it here. Digested food is absorbed by or gives or fused into or diffused into the cytoplasm. See, as usual we know that in the second step, that is food is digested into simpler forms where in the food vacuum. Okay, now food vacuum having a digested food, isn't it? That digested food enters into the cytoplasm. Cytoplasm is it is a plasma like or a liquid, fluid like structure. In that, the digested food is fused or diffused. See, in the digested food, then it enters into the cytoplasm. Totally, body pore, that is enters into the all the parts or all the cell, isn't it? That is about absorption. Then see, only the digested food is diffused or gives into the cytoplasm. Then what about the undigested food? Undigested food same as it is. Undigested food is present in the food vacuole. समझ में आ रहा है? That is, food is digested in the food vacuole. In the second step. Then in third step, the digested food enters into the cytoplasm. Digested food is absorbed by the cytoplasm. Then undigested food is present in undigested or indigested. Undigested food is present in food vacuole. Okay? समझ में आ रहा है? It is undigested food is present in food vacuole. Okay? This is about third step. Next, move to the fourth step, that is assimilation. That is fourth one is assimilation. See, now you know that the digested food is absorbed by the cytoplasm. Okay, see, in the cytoplasm, the digested food in the cytoplasm, this food will helpful for doing metabolic exercise and doing movement as well as multiplication. What is multiplication? Nothing. That is reproduction. This food will helpful for reproduction. Okay, and growing. Isn't it? This food will helpful for growing. Okay, as well as reproduction and getting the energy. Okay, that is the digested food in cytoplasm. It gives gives the digested food into for what purpose? That is growing purpose, reproduction purpose, as well as energy purpose. Okay, this is about assimilation. समझ में आएगा? That is assimilation is the digested food is helpful for the growing, reproduction as well as getting energy, more energy. That is about assimilation. Then fourth step we have, that is digestion. Okay, digestion. See here, digestion. This fifth step. Sorry, last step, that is digestion. See, in this step, see, that is undigested food is present in the food vacuum. समझ में आ रहा है? That is digested food electric cytoplasm. In that is used for for energy, for reproduction as well as for growing. The digested food is used. But what about the undigested food? Where it is present? It is present in food vacuum, isn't it? We know that is in the third step only. Then that food is ejected or removed from the body. That food is removed from the body. See here, suppose this is the amoeba anthropoid. This is food vacuole. This is food vacuole, which is where the undigested food is present here. Undigested food is present here, and it is thrown out of the cell. See, thrown out of the cell by cutting the membrane. It cut ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೊರಗೆ ಬಂದಿದೆ. This is ingestion. This food, undigested food, comes out or thrown out of the body or a cell, and as usual covers it like this. Okay, this is about digestion. Digestion means what? The undigested food is thrown out of the cell. This is about digestion. समझ में आ गया बात? This is about the digestion in amoeba. One more time, simply I will explain you that is the digestion in amoeba. See, actually the food is injected in the amoeba. How? With the help of pseudopods. With the help of pseudopods, the food enters into the cell. In that, the food is digested in the food vacuole with the help of cytoplasm. Why, sir? Cytoplasm will secrete the enzymes. See the second step. Then that digested food as well as undigested food, okay, it is present in the food vacuole. Then the digested food is absorbed by the cytoplasm. Okay, the digested food is absorbed by the cytoplasm. Then the undigested food as usual present in the food vacuole. Okay, yes. Then in fourth step, the digested food in the cytoplasm is used for growing, etc. Growing, energy, getting energy, more energy, and reproduction. That digested food is helpful for this purpose. What about the undigested food? Simple, that is undigested food is ejected or thrown out of the cell. समझ में गया बात? This is about digestion in the amoeba. Okay, then I have a question for you, that is what kind of food is taken or consumed by the amoeba? ಏನು ತಿಂತವ್ರೆ ಅವು actually? Sir, biryani ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ತಿಂತವ್ರೆ. I want a correct answer, and the correct answer should be in the comment box. Okay, one more homework for you, that is draw and label the need diagram of amoeba, and draw and label the need diagram of amoeba. Okay, And if any doubts, ask me anytime in the comment box as well as or in the group. Okay, by this I will conclude my today's session. If any doubts, ask me in the groups. Okay, ಅಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. Bye.